Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are excited to introduce you to what we believe is the best handpan instrument on the market, the LOMUTY steel tongue drum. This percussion instrument is designed for both beginners and seasoned musicians, and it promises a delightful musical experience. Let's dive in and explore what makes this drum special. The LOMUTY steel tongue drum features 8 notes, carefully crafted to ensure a rich and soothing sound. Measuring just 6 inches, this compact drum is perfect for use at home or on the go. It comes in a stunning navy color, making it not just a musical instrument but also a visually appealing addition to your musical collection. Made from high-quality carbon steel, the drum offers durability while producing a clean and resonant tone. Whether you are looking to unwind, meditate, or simply enjoy creating beautiful melodies, this instrument is designed to suit your needs. When purchasing the LOMUTY steel tongue drum, you will receive everything you need to get started. The package includes the steel tongue drum itself, a convenient carrying bag for easy transportation, a strap, drum mallets, a music book filled with songs and exercises, 2 note stickers for learning, and 4 finger picks to enhance your playing experience. Playing the LOMUTY steel tongue drum is incredibly easy and intuitive. You can use the mallets for a rhythmic touch or your fingers for a more delicate sound. It's suitable for all ages, making it a great choice for family bonding or educational settings. The drum encourages creativity and exploration, allowing you to experiment with various sounds and styles. Apart from its functional aspects, the aesthetic quality of the LOMUTY drum deserves a mention. Its sleek design and beautiful finish make it not only a fun instrument to play but also a stunning piece of art for display in your home. The vibrant navy color is appealing and allows the intricate craftsmanship to shine through. Should you have any concerns or questions after purchasing the LOMUTY steel tongue drum, rest assured, the product comes with a warranty for added peace of mind. Customer support is readily available to help with any issues you might encounter. In conclusion, the LOMUTY steel tongue drum stands out as the best handpan instrument for its quality, ease of use, and beautiful sound. It's perfect for anyone looking to expand their musical horizons or simply enjoy the joy of music making. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep making beautiful music.